Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, everyone, to understanding how you can begin your journey in the stock market. This exciting world offers incredible potential to grow your money, but it's important to approach it with the right mindset. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and a long-term view are truly your best allies here, helping you navigate the ups and downs toward your financial goals. Before you even think about putting money into stocks, commit to learning the ropes. Understand key terms like shares, dividends, and market capitalization. Spend time researching companies you're interested in. Look at their financial health, their industry, and their future prospects. Staying informed about broader economic news and market trends will also give you a significant advantage, helping you make smarter, more confident decisions. Once you feel confident in your basic knowledge, the next step is to open an investment account. You'll need to choose a reliable online brokerage firm, considering factors like fees, available investments, and user-friendliness. Then, decide on the right account type, perhaps a standard individual brokerage account or even a retirement account like an IRA. Finally, securely link your bank account to fund your new investment journey and get ready to buy your first shares. When you start investing, a smart approach is to begin with an amount you're truly comfortable with. You don't need a fortune to get started. Even a few $100s can be a great beginning. Critically, diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different companies, industries, or asset classes to reduce risk. Never put all your eggs in one basket, as this simple strategy can significantly protect your wealth. Remember, the stock market is a long game, and patience is your most valuable asset. Don't panic during market dips or get overly excited during surges. Regularly review your portfolio, perhaps once a quarter, to ensure it still aligns with your goals. The key is to avoid making emotional decisions based on daily fluctuations. Stick to your strategy and allow your investments the time they need to grow, steadily building your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.